Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you SIXT Car Rental honest review. So, let's start with the regular SIXT rentals. Now, the overall reputation is very mixed, and that's what's actually consistent across different platforms like Trustpilot, Yelp, and even travel forums. Now, a lot of people generally like SIXT because the cars are usually newer, cleaner, and sometimes a bit more premium than what you get from other rental companies. Pickup can be fast, especially at airports. Some customers say staff are helpful and efficient. When everything goes smoothly, people walk away impressed and feel they got good value for what they paid. Now, where the tone changes is around fees, insurance, and damage claims. Now, many reviews mention confusion about coverage, surprise charges after returning the cars, or disputes over minor scratches that customers say they were already there. Now, in travel forums, experienced renters constantly recommend taking detailed photos and videos before driving off because resolving disputes afterward can be frustrating and time consuming. Now, these complaints don't mean everyone has a bad experience, but they do show that Six is very strict about vehicle condition and that catches some renters off guard. Now, the more interesting part for Sixth Plus, though, so they have another version that you may want to know. Now, 6 Plus here, which is their car subscription service. So, this isn't a traditional rental and it's not a lease either. So, people usually describe it as a flexible middle ground between owning a car and renting one long term. You pay a monthly fee, choose a car category and mileage package, and pick the vehicle from sixth location. Now, from sixth location. Now, description runs in 30-day cycles, so after the first month, you can keep the car, swap it, or return it without being locked into a long contract. Now, what a lot of users like about 6 Plus is the flexibility. There's no long-term commitment, no big down payment, and maintenance is handled for you. For people who need a car for a few months here, or in this case, relocating temporarily, or just don't want the responsibility of ownership, this setup feels convenient and predictable. Now, reviews often mention that budgeting is easier because the monthly cost is fixed and you're not worrying about repairs popping up unexpected. At the same time, expectation matters a lot, so you're choosing a car category, not a guaranteed model. So what you actually get depends on availability. Some users are perfectly fine with that, while others feel disappointed if they expect a specific car. Now, cost is another common discussion here. Compared to buying or leasing long term, 6 Plus can be more expensive over many years, which is why people who plan to keep a car indefinitely usually say it's not the cheapest option. Now, customer service experience with Six are similar to rentals. Now, some people report smooth communication and easy swaps, while others mention delays or slow responses when issue actually comes up. Now, it's not universally bad, but it's inconsistent enough that people recommend reading the terms carefully and staying proactive if something doesn't look right. So, when you actually zoom out here and basically look at how people feel about Sixt, well, the picture is pretty clear. Now, Sixt offers newer cars and flexible options that many people generally enjoy, especially with the subscription model. But it's also a company where or attention to detail really matters. So checking the car thoroughly, understanding insurance, and knowing exactly what you're signing up for makes a big difference in how satisfied people end up being. So basically, 6 can be a great option if flexibility in newer vehicles matter to you, especially for short to medium terms need. So it's less ideal if you want the absolute cheapest option or don't want to deal with strict policies, as long as expectations are set correctly. Many people feel it delivers what it promises, just not without a bit of homework on your end. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.